Today we are going to be doing a fun thing. So you will learn two things. The first thing you're going to learn is, well, when we throw a rock from the air, it'll go down. But when trees or flowers pick up water, the water's under. So how do we pick it up? Well, we'll tell you. And the next thing you will learn is that two colors combine together and make one color. We'll tell you how to make it. In case you don't have that kind of paint, you can combine two colors of your paint to make one paint color. So, here we have is 7 cups. There's 7 colors in the rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 cups in the rainbow. I mean, like, colors in the rainbow. The colors we'll be using is red in the first cup. We're going to leave this cup empty. Then we're going to be using yellow. And the next color, we're going to leave this cup empty. The next color is going to be blue. Yeah? Now, what I'm going to do is here I have a giant mug of water. Ooh, it's heavy. So, yeah, this experiment anyways is called the walking water. How does it walk? Anyways, we'll show you. So here, as I said, we have a giant mug of water. We're going to pour some water into these cups. So I'm going to start with this one. Who are we doing? Okay, water going into the cup. I think that's about it. So we're going to leave this one because we'll tell you later. But we're going to leave that one and we're going to pour it in here. Okay, now we're going to about there. Maybe. Everything has to be even. Okay, now leave this one and we're going to go to the next one. That's about it. Wait, no, not that one. Okay, last one. Okay, there we go. So guys, all of them are filled up. This one goes. So, wait. Okay. Yeah, every cup is even. Now we don't need any more water. Dancing down, dancing down. And now we're going to get a paintbrush. Paint the camera. We're going to paint you up, guys, but we won't do that. We're going to open the red paint. Yes! Ready, 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 ready. Red, red, red. Ooh. It's pretty hard to do it. Someone help me! Your mom helped me open them up because they were super tight. And now we're going to pour red, our beautiful red, into the #1 cup that has water inside. So we're going to get the paintbrush and okay, which one in? Here. Okay, I'm doing it, okay. Oh, guys, as you see, this is turning red. No, it is. See that? Oh, yeah. Okay. So now, because that's about enough, and now we're going to do the yellow. Okay, yellow. The yellow. And let's put the yellow in here. Yeah. Oh, look, it's turning yellow. It's turning yellow. Really? And now we're going to leave this one and go to the next one. We're just going to close the red and yellow because we've already used them. Now I'm going to use the blue. Okay. Blue. Let's blue you up, guys. Well, we can't. So leave that one. Now put in here, right? Okay. Now it's the last color to go, I guess. Close. I'll just add some more down here. Okay, we have a little bit of pink, so I hope we have enough. Oh, it's turning pink. Thank goodness. It's quite not pink, but we're going to keep on mixing and see. Yeah, it's kind of light pink. Yeah, really light pink. Just going to put some more pink inside there. Yep. And a little bit more. See you then. Okay guys, so now we have the colors in, and also you will need some tissue paper. And now we folded the tissue paper, and now we're going to put it from there into there. Okay, so like this into here. Look at it go! Look! And you guys see the t-shirt turning red. Anyways, I'm gonna pull it open. And that one's turning yellow. And that guys, that one's turning blue. And I know which one this one's turning. Which color is your favorite? My color favorite is all of them. All of them? Mine is the pink and blue. Okay. Mine is pink. Now we're gonna wait a few minutes. And we are going to see what's going to happen. Hey guys, so we've waited a few minutes. And as you can see here, we only filled these cups with water. And now the ones that we left empty and that had no water have water and have color. As you can see here, we have red and yellow. We put those in first. Red and yellow both make orange. And you can see here, we have the yellow and blue. That's what we added. Blue and yellow both make green. And you can see here, we added blue and pink first. And pink and blue both make purple. So those are ways that you can join two colors together, join it up, and makes one beautiful color. Have a beautiful day anyways. As you can see here, we have the red water and the yellow water. Remember when we didn't put any water in there and no color? The tissues are kind of like the roots. And then the color of the water traveled up into this cup, and then that made some orange water. So that's the same way that the water is on the bottom and the roots suck it up to the plant. And this action is called capillary action. loved this video. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell button too. And woohoo! It's coming out.
And look at that one. Look at that one too.
Put that in there.
Look at that one too. Ooh. Look at that one too. Ooh.
That one goes in there.
And look at that one. Ooh.
So that's our beautiful creation. And